At Regen, we really do things differently. We don't believe in quick fixes or one-size-fits-all treatments. We take the time to understand what's actually going on beneath the surface, whether that's hormones, inflammation, metabolism, or skin health, because how you look on the outside is directly connected to what's going on the inside. Our entire approach is built around what we call inside out and outside in optimization. So yes, we offer advanced aesthetic treatments, but we're also optimizing hormones, supporting metabolic health, improving energy, sleep, and brain function. Everything is personalized, everything is data-driven, and everything is designed to help you feel like yourself again.